Hello, first graders. Welcome to your math lesson. We are going to be beginning Module 18. Please take out your math book to Module 18. Bienvenidos a este video de matemáticas. Hoy vamos a empezar con Módulo 18. Por favor, sacan los libros para poder empezar. Lesson 1. Say it with me. Today I can draw to show the time on a clock. Great. Let's find out how we can do that. Let's start off Module 18 on this page. Please turn to this page in your book. What I like about time is that it helps me know when I have to do what I need to do. So what I mean by that is that there are some things that we do in the morning, some things we do in the afternoon, and some things we do in the evening. Let's think about the different things we do at different times. In the first box at the top, we're going to draw a picture of an activity that you do before school. En la primera caja vamos a dibujar una actividad que se hace antes de la escuela. There are many things that you can draw about. Here are some ideas. Brush your teeth. Brush and do your hair. Eat your breakfast. Those are just some ideas, but you can draw what you normally do before school in your book. Pause the video until you have finished this. Pausa video hasta que lo han terminado. Next, we will draw a picture of an activity that you do at school. School is a fun-filled day. There's so many things you can choose from, but here are some ideas. You sit at your desk with a partner and learn, or you can draw about how you read a book. We know we start off our days with independent reading in the morning, so you definitely do lots of reading at school. Pick an activity that you do and draw it in the box. Pause the video until you're done. Next, we will draw a picture of an activity that you do after school. Ahora vamos a dibujar una actividad que hacemos después de la escuela. Well, we have lots of things that we do at home, but some ideas could be doing your homework. Or you could draw about how you go to bed at night and tuck yourself in. What are some activities that you do at night after school? Draw about it in this picture. Pause the video until you have finished. Are you ready? I think you are. Let's answer these questions to show that we're ready for Module 18. Let's start with number 1. Longer and shorter. Circle the arrow that is shorter. They're both lined up at the bar, so I know that it's going to be fair measuring. Which one is shorter? Did you pick the top one? Excellent. Great. Number 2. Let's count forward. Complete the counting, so count with me at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Thanks for counting. Let's look at number 3. And number 3, we're going to circle the shape that shows halves. Now let's remember what we learned in Module 16. Halves should have 2 parts. Which one of these shapes has 2 parts? Super. Let's circle the middle one that shows halves. Awesome. Great job. Let's keep going. Okay, let's start off lesson 1 with a spark your learning. Where have you seen a clock? There's probably a clock in your home. We have many clocks in school. And there's clocks sometimes all around our neighborhood. What we're going to do is we are going to use a number line to help us create a clock in this space. Let's start off by drawing a clock. I need a big round circle with a little dot in the middle. We're going to work together today to discuss how we place the numbers around the clock. Vamos a dibujar las horas en el reloj. Pause the video at any point if you need more time. Pausa el video si necesitas para tomar más tiempo. When we look at a clock, we always start off with seeing a 12 right at the top and a 6 down in the center. If I use my number line, I think I can fill in the rest of the hours of the clock. Can you work with me to do that? Well, looking at this number line, it looks like 12 is at the very end. So we might have to put in our next number by seeing what number came first. Look at your number line. What number comes first? It's number 1, of course. So for number 1, we will fill in our clock by placing the 1 next to the 12, because after 12, it looks like we need to start over. We've got 1. What comes after 1? Let's look at the number line. It's 2. You knew that. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the hours on half of the clock. Now look where we are. We made it to 6. Let's keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and of course we reach back to 12. Those are the hours on a clock. We have 12 hours to track on a clock. Draw your clock and place the hours in the right place. Pause the video if you need more time. Pausa el video si necesitas más tiempo. Exit ticket. This is your chance to show me what you have learned today. Find a clock in your home. Draw a picture of it to show the time. Then have your parents take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher. Boleto de salida. Encuentra un reloj en tu casa. Haz un dibujo para mostrar la hora. Tírale una foto a la tarea y envíalo en ClassDojo a la maestra. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining me on this video today for Module 18. We look forward to working with you again tomorrow on the next video. Please make sure to tune in. Gracias por acompañarnos en este video de módulo 18. Asegúrese ver el próximo video mañana. Muchas gracias.